Give us an example of how you basically earn your fee on some of these instances, Damon.
Well, what we essentially do is serve as a closing agent. Much like if you were to buy or sell a piece of immovable property, real estate, we actually don't represent specifically other party. They have the ability to retain counsel should they choose, but our job is to be an attorney essentially to the transaction. That's generally the function that we serve in business closings.
So you represent neither the seller nor the buyer?
Absolutely, because our role, just like our closing attorney for real estate, is to make sure that the parties understand the transaction they're engaged in and that everything that was requested to be done is done. And most importantly, that the final legal document memorializing the transfer of the business from the seller to the buyer memorializes the party's intent. That is my role, my company's role in this process.
Are you hired? Are you engaged by the broker then, or who has called you up and said, "I need your help"?
Essentially, the transaction. Generally, the buyer and the seller are free to use any attorney they want because I do so much of this work. Oftentimes, when Ms. Seiler has a listing or has a deal, I get involved on the outset and at least explain to the parties what they're about to get themselves into.